Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use investing.com for cryptocurrency. First, navigate to the investing.com website. From the main navigation bar, locate and click on the cryptocurrency tab. This action will direct you to a dedicated page showcasing various digital assets. You can then use the search bar to find a specific coin or browse the extensive list provided. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the valuable information available on the platform, setting the stage for your market exploration. Once you are in the cryptocurrency section, you will find a wealth of market data. You can view real-time prices, observe the 24-hour trading volume, and check the current market capitalization for thousands of coins. The platform offers interactive charts, allowing you to analyze historical price movements over various timeframes, from 1 minute to several years. Pay attention to key metrics like the daily high and low to gauge volatility and potential entry or exit points. Investing.com provides several powerful tools to enhance your experience. One highly useful feature is the ability to set price alerts. You can receive notifications when a cryptocurrency reaches a specific price point, helping you stay informed without constant monitoring. Additionally, the portfolio tracker allows you to input your holdings and monitor their performance in real time. Don't forget to explore the news and analysis sections for expert opinions and market updates, offering valuable context. For those seeking deeper insights, investing.com offers advanced technical analysis tools. You can apply various indicators directly to the charts, such as moving averages or RSI, to identify potential trends and patterns. Beyond the data, engage with the vibrant community forums where users share ideas and discuss market movements. Staying connected with other traders and analysts can provide fresh perspectives. Always keep an eye on the latest news to understand broader market influences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.